This Subhashidam suggests the best method for the proper use of surplus wealth in one's possession. Subhashidam advises to use this surplus wealth for the benefit of the mankind. It cites a very good example to elucidate this point. The surplus water reaching a lake beyond its storage capacity spills over to its sides. In the process, the water already retained within the lake is purified. Further, its banks or sides also protected from collapse due to the buildup of water beyond its storage capacity. Thus, this Subhashidam suggests the best strategy to deal with the surplus wealth for the benefit of both the wealth creator as well as for the mankind. Kashi ruler Natwar Singh had a huge collection of precious diamonds and jewels in his possession. The king had engaged thousands of soldiers for the proper protection of this wealth in his possession. Once he invited a sadhu to his palace. The king took sadhu to his treasury and showed him all these precious possessions to him with great pride. After watching all these things, sadhu asked the king, "O king, now tell me, what are your benefits in keeping these huge possessions with you? You are incurring huge expenditure for security, apparently without any tangible benefit. Therefore, this surplus wealth is to be treated just like poison." On hearing this, a slightly perturbed king asked Sadhu, "Oh Sadhu, what are you coming to tell? What do you want me to do with these prized possessions?" Sadhu replied, "O king, I suggest that you sell all these prized possessions at once, and with the money that you raise on sale, construct schools in every village in your kingdom. As the people gets good education, they become cultured. A well-educated and cultured society will automatically bring back both wealth as well as fame to the kingdom. This is the best course for the overall development of your kingdom." The king saw merit in what Sadhu said. He immediately arranged to sell all his prized possessions and opened schools in every village as advised by Sadhu. The result was there to see for all. Slowly, as the subjects received good education, they got better employment even in neighboring states. The reputation of the kingdom also got a big boost even in far-flung areas. Thus, the judicious use of the surplus wealth by the king for the benefit of the people fetched the best returns to the king as well as for its subjects. The king was also praised by all for the course of action adopted by him for public good.